Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. Very nice condition. It's a 4-cylinder gas saver, very nice. Beautiful condition, blue with a black interior, very nice condition. All right, we'll go ahead and take a closer look here. Let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, amazing condition throughout. Look at that. Very nice. Looks beautiful. Very nice shape. Take a look at the upper lamp. Beautiful shape. Lower light also in beautiful condition. Grille looks good. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the other lamp. Also in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Lower light also in beautiful shape. Hood's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Very nice condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Does have a little scratch right there and a little chip right here on the paint. Besides that, really nice shape. All right, we'll take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Driver doors in beautiful shape. Take a close look here. Has a small little dent right there with a touch-up. Besides that, looks good. Mirrors in good shape. Clean throughout, looks good. Very nice condition. All right, take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Does have a couple little chips here that have been touched up. Besides that, looks good. Quarter panel on the driver's side, amazing condition. Take a look at those lights in the back. Beautiful shape throughout. It's got the little Chevy emblem there lit up. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the other one. Really nice shape. Look at that. All right, rear glass is in beautiful condition. Super clean throughout, no marks on it. Beautiful shape. Hatch is in beautiful condition. Taking a close look here. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Dual exhaust, looks super sporty. Really nice. All right, taking a look at the quarter panel. Quarter panel on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. All right, taking a look at the rear passenger side door. Beautiful condition. Does have a couple little blemishes here on the paint. Besides, that's in good shape. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Looks super nice. All right, let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, very nice. Let's take a quick look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful condition, super nice. Really amazing shape all the way through. Windshield on the driver's side looks good. Don't see any marks or chips on it. Super clean. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel. Front door panel on the driver's side. Amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the controllers there. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful shape. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Two-tone, very nice. Look at the stitching on it. Amazing condition. Full set of floor mats. Really beautiful shape on the rugs. Dashboard steering is in amazing shape. Looks beautiful throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really amazing shape all the way through. Look at that, very nice condition. Passenger seat in the front, also amazing shape. Super clean, very nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Look at that center console, really amazing condition. Manual seat for the passenger, but in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, really amazing shape. Take a close look here. Beautiful condition. Look at the controller for the power window, the handle. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Little stitching there, looks amazing. All right, take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that beautiful shape all the way through. Very nice. Super impressive. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard, steering wheel in beautiful condition. Center console's in beautiful shape. It's got some storage down there. USB's here. AC vents right there. Really nice. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really outstanding shape. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks amazing. Look at the armrest. Beautiful shape. A little bit of storage on the door. Take a look at the rear seat from this side. Really amazing condition. Clean throughout. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the rugs. Rugs are in beautiful shape. Full set of floor mats. Look at the back of the seats. Beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Very impressive. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer LT package 4-cylinder model. What a gas saver on this one. All right, let's take a look here. Very nice. Look at the key fob. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. GM key. We're going to set it down right here. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. We're going to press the brake, press the start button. This has push button start here. Let's go ahead and start it up. Super nice. Look at that. Amazing. All right, let's take a look at the gauges here. The GM products, usually the gauges go all the way up and back down again. That lets you know they're fully functional. So that's really nice. Okay, so we have RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. Very nice. This one has 29,976 miles for a 24. Okay, good mileage. All right, we're taking a look here. Let's test out the turning signals. Super nice. Front and rear wipers right there. Cruise control on the steering wheel. This is, you can speak your commands or whatever. Right now it's on radio, so you can actually go through it. So right there it shows you the tire pressure sensors. This is the home for the miles. Radio station. It's showing you it's east, that's the compass. The phone, if you have a phone setting, and then other settings. That's nice. So it lets you see the radio station while you're driving. Super nice. The tire pressure sensors, all 36. We'll leave it on miles per hour, and down below it says 252 miles till empty. And look how much fuel we have. There you go. All right, so automatic lights, super nice. Parking brake release is power. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. It's not leather wrapped, but it looks really nice. It's got a perforated look, look at this, but it's not leather. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Really outstanding shape, look at that. Very nice condition. It's got a beautiful screen right there, look at that. Push button start. This is the bypass for the engine off. So right now the bypass is on. So when you take it off, auto stop is off. There it is. So you turn it on. So right now it's not going to turn off at the light. But if you don't have this light activated, it'll cut off at the light for you. You'll save some fuel. As soon as you let go of the brake pedal, it'll start right up. Super nice. All right, this is for the glove box. We just moved the owner's manuals here. They were in the trunk. Super nice. Got a little button right there. Also the traction control button. Controls for the radio. Look at that. Beautiful screen there. Climate control AC for the driver and passenger with heated seats. Look at that. So this is a controller for the heated seats. You got 3 settings. That's nice. And then this is the driver's side. 3 settings. That's super nice. Temperature on these vehicles is super cool. This big dial right here, you turn on the driver's side, and this is the dial for the passenger side. That's really cool. Look at that. That's amazing. All right, so it has the fan controls there, front and rear defrost, recycled air, AC controller, all the vents. Super nice. USBs, for you can plug your phone in there. It's got a little tray here for storage, cup holders. It's got your lane assist right here. So right now it's on. Right now it's on regular mode, and then when you turn it here, you can turn it to the right. That's snow mode. Turn it again, you put it on sport mode. That's nice. So we'll leave it on sport mode now. We're going to take it for a test drive a little bit. Automatic transmission. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Very nice. Up above here, you have your courtesy lights. I'm going to shut those down. You've got your OnStar buttons here and your passenger airbag, letting you know if anybody's sitting in their passenger seat to see if it's active or not. This one has a really nice sunglass holder here on top. That's a nice feature. Put your sunglasses in there. Super nice. Dashboard stereo looks amazing. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this center console here. It has storage. Really nice. It's got a little power plug there. You can put your phone there to charge. This one back here has vents here, and then a couple USBs for the rear passengers. That's a nice feature. Liner's in great shape. Let's take a quick look here. Beautiful condition. All right, now we're taking a look here at the information center. It's not really a radio, it's the information center for the whole vehicle. So let's go ahead and take a close look here. Let's go to settings real quick. System settings. App settings. This one has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Super nice. XM radio, My Chevrolet, your phone settings. Click there. Vehicle. Rear seat reminder. That's important if you have a small child. You can turn that on. And it'll remind you, let you know to check the back seat when you turn the vehicle off. Let's take a look at the safety features on this one. This one has forward collision system, brake and alert, front pedestrian detection, brake and alert, and rear camera with parking symbols. That's nice. Got a couple safety features there. So you have the controls for the lighting, teen mode, valet mode. Really nice. Let's go back home again. So this is the setting for the radio. You can select whatever you want. AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. So then we can go here to home again. Phone settings. There's no phone connected, but you can look at your favorites, your keypad, your contacts, and your phones. Wi-Fi hotspot if you want to subscribe to that. Look at that. Super nice. Users. You want to set it up. Specific user for each driver, for the radio stations and all the settings and that. That's nice. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, more apps. You can download more apps. It's going to take a little while, so we're going to get out of that. Over to the right, you have your OnStar service, your climate. Take a look at that. That's super nice. Shows you the temperature. Same as the bottom here. Really nice. In case you want a closer look at that. My Chevrolet, Sirius Satellite Radio, and then we'll bring it all the way to the left, and that's what's on the radio right now, and it'll show you whatever's on your phone on the right. And there's your Wi-Fi right now. See that? Super nice. So you have controls on here, so you don't have to touch the screen, which is nice. There's volume control, your home control there. It's really in nice shape. Mirrors in beautiful condition. Looks good. It's clean throughout. Beautiful shape. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Really in amazing condition. Very nice. All right, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Nice power. Look at that. Really quick. Drives amazing. Little reflection with the sun, but you can see the cluster clearly. Everything's in good shape, functioning correctly. Super nice. Okay, so we're going to make a left here. Super nice drive. Look at that. So smooth. Feels really good. Look at that. Coming up to another stop here. Brakes feel good. Very smooth. It's really quick. drives so nice. All right, so now we're going to turn into a parking lot here. We're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera, so you can see how it functions, and then that'll conclude our test drive. We go. We're going to find our little spot here and give the backup camera a test. There we go. All right, as soon as you put it in reverse, camera pops right up. This one has those little lines there that you can turn the steering wheel and see which way you're going to roll back. It's super nice. I'm going to go ahead and center it a little bit here. And we're there. Fantastic. All right, well, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the engine compartment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Really amazing condition. Look at the rug back here. It looks brand new. Very nice condition. All right, it's got a couple little pockets there on the sides where you could put your things in there. Got a little power plug there in case you're going to tailgate in this one. These handles actually fold down the seats here in the second row in case you need some more storage. That's a really nice feature. It's got little LED lights on both sides. Super useful at night. Down below, spare tire with jack and all the tools. Very nice. Also back here, check this out. Owner's manual. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Look at this engine compartment. Clean and in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Look at this. Amazing shape. Beautiful condition all the way through. Look at this, really nice shape. Super, super clean. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the hood from below there. Emission sticker. Very nice, super clean. Really amazing condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks really nice, a lot of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here. Really nice condition, look at that. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. All right, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing shape, look at that, a lot of tread on there, looks good. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here. Tire's in great condition, look at that. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice, beautiful shape. We're taking a look at the rear passenger side tire. Tire's in good condition. Good amount of tread on there. It looks very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look here. Very nice condition all the way through. Looks amazing. We're taking a look at the other tire in the front. Tire's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Look at the tire tread on there. It looks brand new. Rim is clean and in great shape. Does have a couple scuffs right there. As you can see right there. Besides that, it's a nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer 4-cylinder LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.